This is for the drawing of the raffle ticket. This is the Excel spreadsheet that has everybody's numbers on it. There were 60 tickets total. I was only actually able to sell 30, so your number will be here and your name of the winner will be there. I'm going to be doing the drawing on random.org. It's going to be 1 through 30 tickets, and we're going to calculate the winner to be number 12. Number 12 is Jesus Gonzalez. Congratulations to Jesus Gonzalez on winning the winning raffle ticket number for ticket number 12. Thank you.